Hi YouTuber, my name is Padmavati. I am running channel in YouTube, Padmavati Tips channel. This is my channel. I have own notification in that we have to no longer to monetization. Please review my channel once again and help to monetization. Sir, this is my channel. The dashboard I have 994 subscribers. Please see my content. In this content are all my videos is there, so see total are my own content and thumbnails also. Please review my channel once again. All are Hindu gods and devotional stories, festivals and health tips. So many top content videos also is there. Is requesting to you activation channel monetization. This is my videos, not another content. Purely my own content videos, sir. Please requesting to activate my channel monetization, sir. And again showing to overview my so many top content are also is there, sir. And not other content. Please understanding my problem. Please review my channel and help me to monetization, sir. I use KenMaster app. This is my videos editing process. This is my own voice also. I don't use any background music and I just use my own voice for making audio stories. First, I am taken background image in media player. After that, I used so many player, but they different type of image editing. After that, I told my own content with my own voice and daily so many videos making by in this process also, and after taking background images and telling stories with my own voice, sir. So this is my video making process in KenMaster app. And next one, I am not showing upper complaint by video making. And next point is I have good knowledge about Hindu gods and devotional stories, festival and health tips. That is the reason of I choose to start a YouTube channel. This is my own voice and telling stories also. I think so. My finally get a good name. That the name is Padmavati.